Hello and welcome to Tutorialspoint. Today in content marketing and mastering the various channels that are associated with content marketing, one of the channels is press releases. What are press releases, how press releases work, how the press releases work in the current scenario, and this is something that we will discuss today. What are press releases? Press releases are those statements issued by various companies announcing any new information. Companies, they actually come up with new products, new information, new updates, and these are basically issued by the various companies. These are basically the press announcement, giving a press statement that our company is launching this product, our company has this update, our company wants to spread this information. These are basically the press releases. It could be a product launch, an event, or any update. It could be a product launch, they have an event that is coming up and they want to actually create awareness on that particular event, or any update that is associated with that particular company. And every company, they come up with various press releases, and this is precisely what press releases is all about. How press releases actually work? Online articles are published on PR websites to create awareness. They are basically in the shape of an article, but the format will be different. The name of the company, the date of the publication, when the press release is issued, to whom it is intended to, and there at actually our company is launching so and so product, these are the features of this product, these are the benefits of this product will be available in so and so places. This is going to be the press release. In older days, say about a decade ago, 2004, 2005 and 2006, there were many press releases websites. They were called as PR websites. Some were free PR websites and some were paid PR websites. And lot of these news agencies used to pick up the information from these PR websites. And these PR websites, they no longer work. Some may be good, PR wire and some other things, but some actually don't work. We have seen people submitting their applications, their program, their software, their information about their company on free PR websites, and free PR websites take a lot of time to publish your PR press release. That they actually don't work anymore in current scenario in 2017. They don't work at all. There are some PR websites which are genuine, which are authentic, which actually provide value, but they are paid websites. These PR articles are picked by various news media and spread around. These were actually picked up earlier and they used to be spread around. Free PR websites are also available, they don't work anymore, not anymore. Paid PR websites are still used but seldom. What happens right now is a lot of social media activity is there. In 2004, 2005 and 2006, there was no social media worth the name. There were one or two social media sites, but they were not there. Facebook was not there, Twitter was not there. Now what is happening is these companies are announcing their product launches on Twitter, on Facebook and other social media platforms. So the PR websites have lost their relevance. But some of them are there, they still work. But mostly these PR websites have lost their relevance. How PR websites work now, how the press releases are issued in present scenario. Online press releases have lost their value. Avoid PR websites, they don't work. Write blogs, email and social media. If you want to announce something, if you have some loyal customers, loyal followers on email, on blogs, on social media, announce it. That actually works, and this is actually the new form of press releases. People are announcing on social media, on Twitter, on Facebook, through email marketing and through blogs. Publish blogs and tweet on social media. They actually work. Twitter, Facebook and blogs. News agencies like AP, Reuters, Bloomberg pick up information from social media. These news agencies like AP, Reuters and Bloomberg, they actually, before say a decade ago, they used to pick up the information from various companies from these PR websites. Now what they are doing right now is, because of the emergence of social media sites like Twitter, Facebook and some other sites, and blogs, they are actually picking up the information, press releases from various companies on social media and other social media platforms like Facebook, Twitter. News spread via syndicate works. The news spread accordingly through the PR websites, through the syndicated news columns. They actually still work because these are basically spreading the information. It happens such that a particular company, it has a product launch, it is actually calling a press conference. In the press conference, there is electronic media, there is web media. What they do is they pick up this information, they post it on the sites like this company is coming up with this information, and the news networks actually syndicate that information through AP, Reuters and Bloomberg. They pick up the information from social media, from tweets, from Facebook, from blogs, other social media platforms, and that information is syndicated across multiple news agencies. This is actually how PR or press releases work now. In conclusion, what we have seen in this video is what are press releases, how press releases work, and press releases the new way. Thank you so much for watching. Hope to see you again.